Oh yeah, yes, yes! So folks, we're back on the River Dearne, and well, do you remember this? Wow, what an absolute beast of a chub. This was the moment I caught my biggest chub ever, out of season unfortunately while I was trout fishing. But today we're going back to the same stretch and we're going to try and catch some big chub on Topwater lures. We've got the Cicada from Savage here, the little bug. And let's see if we can catch some cracking chub. Look at this beautiful scenery. The river is totally overgrown, but it's fantastic. We've got the waders on, we're ready to go. Let's get in the river. Tons of bait fish. Absolutely tons of it. Whoa, big schools. Beautiful to see. You can just about see that. Never caught a fish on this before, so it would be a great achievement if we were to catch one. Oh, big swipe then. Oh yeah, oh no. Big swipe then. Oh yeah, oh no. That's a big swipe, didn't hook up. I jumped out of the water to get it then. Looks like getting nibbled at by piranhas. It's nice when you can see the bottom. It is absolutely crystal clear. It is absolutely teeming with trout, this river, and well, if you were going to fish it with a spinner, I almost guarantee you'd be on. A little bit of water is looking pretty deep. Whoa. Had a hit then. Definitely a trout though. Sitting in rapids like that. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. So if you were to compare this river to the River Dearne, right, this is crystal clear. River Dearne's really dark. But the River Dearne's slippy as fuck, and this is not actually slippy at all. Speak the truth. Two, three little school of trout. Big school of trout. Fucking tons of them. Not interested one bit in the cicada. Keep trying. That's a big ass chub. There is like 3 massive chub right in front of me. I don't know what. Oh no. Trout. That is a big fucking chub. Oh well, let's keep trying. Big chub have moved off. Oh yeah, yes. Slow bite, nice big chub. Not big, but yes, we got one. Yes, he's a respectable chub. Hey. First chub of the session. Finally caught one on the Topwater on the Savage Gear Cicada. Very respectable chub. Beautiful fish. Probably about, I don't know, just under a pound or something maybe. Pound, I reckon a pound. Let's get him back. Whee! So that was on the Savage Gear Cicada, and this is 3.3 centimetre, 3.3 gram, super lightweight Topwater lure, and we finally got the chub that we were after. It was a nice slow take, so it come up and get it. Don't all want them, some of them do. I was losing my confidence a little bit with this for a minute, but we have had a couple of bites. and then we've just had a nice solid take. Trout swimming around there. There's a big chub swimming about somewhere. It's cruising that area. Look. There you go. Nice school of trout there. Oh yeah! What is that? Oh, it's a chub. It's not a trout, it's a chub. Little aggressive chub. Absolutely fantastic. Get here. Whoa! God, you're a strong little bugger, you. Come on. Stop being so sliding. Out. Right. And he's off. Get here. I was not expecting him to turn then. That's two. But he did. Nice chub mixed in with a trout. Could be, it's hard to tell sometimes, but it could be a chub. Could be a little school of chub. Looks like trout though. The odd chub mixed in. This little tropical forest bit here. This is good. There's some fish just in front of me. Could be chub, can't see. And a strike then, missed it though. Oh yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yes. Hey, come on, buddy. Oh, these chub are hard fighting fish, man. Yeah. Here's a good one. He's a fair bit bigger than the first. He's out. Oh, we've got a little spot here. No, hat's in the water. Ah, look at that, guys. Disaster strikes. Chub number 3, guys, on the Cicada, and this one is probably the biggest yet. So let's just get him out. They're aggressive little buggers. Stunning chub. Check him out. Absolutely stunning chub. Get some pictures, we'll get him back. Lovely fish. See him make a run for it then. Come on. Right folks, we have finished the session and unfortunately we didn't catch any more fish after our Cicada lost a wing, and we couldn't fish with it because that's flopping about like a really unpresentable lure. But all in all, we've had a fantastic session, guys. We caught 3 chub, 2 decent sized ones, 1 little whippet, and we caught on a lure we've never caught with before, the Savage Gear Cicada in 3.3 centimeters, 3.3 gram. At one point there was 3 or 4 pound chub swimming around my feet, and it was just fantastic. So much life in the River Dearne that I've seen today. It's absolutely fantastic. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.